Welcome to another session of Advanced Microsoft 365 class. Guys, I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. And in this class, I'm going to help you to understand about how we can manage SharePoint sites and SharePoint newsletter. We'll also discuss about how we can manage the security for our SharePoint dashboard. So let's move ourselves to the portal of Microsoft 365. But before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, do subscribe, because Teach Me Cloud is a single technical training based YouTube channel that give you 100% live practical based video without skip any step. So I'm moving ourselves to 365 portal. Guys, this is 365 portal. I'm just going to click on dots and it will give us a multiple option, like this is SharePoint. Whenever we click on the SharePoint option, it will redirect you on the SharePoint designer page. Yes, this is the panel that you can consider as a SharePoint designer. If you proceed, just need to click on admin, and under the admin center we'll find the dashboard of Microsoft 365, not Microsoft 365, Microsoft SharePoint admin center. We just need to click on show all and click on SharePoint. So it will redirect you on the page of admin center, SharePoint admin center, that help you to manage, modify, provide security, and also it will provide you option to manage and configure the existing sites that you created. So what I'm going to do, let me help you to understand about the importance of SharePoint dashboard. I'm talking about the designer page, and after that we'll move ourselves to the SharePoint admin center as well. So over a designer page, we are able to find multiple options are available, like as a home, and this is my site, the number of sites that you created. You can find the list of site that you establish over a SharePoint administrator page, a SharePoint designer page, like as a HR department, demo site, and TMC. These sites I created for a different department, right? So I'm just going to show you the option to create new site. Click here. It will redirect you on the another page that we have already discussed. This is team site. If you want to create a site for the specific department, then proceed with team site. If you want to broadcast the message, if you want to involve all the employees of organization, you always proceed with the communication site, right? So let me select team site, and number of templates are available. It's up to you. You can decide, you can select at least one template. Like this, I'm going to proceed with this one, the default template. Next, type the name of your site. So I wanted to create site with name of like the Office 365 class. Okay, this is the name of site. Do you want to describe something? Do you want to mention something? You just need to give the information about the agenda or purpose of creating Office 365 class, means the site. Default URL, Microsoft will give you the default URL, and by using this particular URL, you can access the document that you are going to upload in this particular site. Click next. What you want to use, what's the purpose to create this particular site? Do you want to use it for the specific user? You don't want to authorize another user to access this particular site, make it private. If you want to make it for everyone, the entire employees can access your site, then please make it public. So I wanted to proceed with public, and here we need to add the members. So n number of members are available. Tata is a type of user that I created before. Telnet is also a user, and one more user I wanted to add with name of GCP. 3 different employees or 3 different members we successfully added in our Microsoft 365 class. This is the kind of site. Click finish, and you have to wait for a few more minutes. The site is ready to use. Office 365 class site is ready to use, and it gives us a multiple option as per your requirement. You can perform lots of tasks, like I'm just going to click on document. Whenever we click on the document, it gives us a access of Excel, access PowerPoint, any kind of document that you want to create and share with your employees that you added in this particular site. Click new. What you want to add? You want to add kind of folder. So I'm going to add a folder with name of maybe training dashboard. Okay, the folder name is training dashboard, And in this training dashboard, I'm going to create one Excel file, and the Excel file responsible to contain the information about the number of students who want to take the session of Microsoft 365. It's a just example, guys. You can use as per your requirement. So this is my personal tracker. You can say that. I'm going to type the name of this particular file. You can consider it as a training tracker. Okay, this is the type of tracker that I'm going to create, and this tracker is basically used by or managed by 3 different employees that you added in this particular group, right? So I'm just going to add few more information, like this is the panel name of a student, next about class, about time, and the start date, right? Anything you can type, it's fully depend upon you. This is the example, so that's why I'm going to use this particular way. Do you want to rename the seat? So I'm just going to rename it. The name is tracker. We successfully created. So now we created one kind of SharePoint site. The site name is Office 365 class, and under the Office 365 class we created one document. Under the document we created one folder, and in the folder we added one file, right? And this particular file is applicable. This particular file is basically accessed by 3 different employees that we added. Clear? If you want to verify, so what you need to do, I'm going to open incognito wizard, office.com, and try to log in with the Tata or Telnet user, because these users we successfully added in this particular site. So I wanted to log in with name of tata@teachmecloud.net, right? And try to log in it. And you will find the same site in the properties, in the inbox of our what we can say that SharePoint. We just need to click here and it will redirect us on the SharePoint. We just need to open the SharePoint dashboard. I don't want to create because we have already shared the site, so not immediately, but within minute, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, you will find the same site in this particular account. Let me synchronize the site. You have to wait for a few more minutes and definitely you will get the information. So I'm just going to pause the video and we'll start again. Our site is successfully created, and now you can access the same site and document from the different users that you added in same site. So as a 365 engineer, apart from creating site and managing the site and adding member, removing member, we are also responsible to take care of the Microsoft SharePoint Admin Center. So let me help you to understand about the options and features which are available on Microsoft SharePoint Admin Center. For this particular task, open root account, go to the Admin Center, means Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In the same panel, means in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, we'll find the option that help us to open our SharePoint admin, that help us to manage the security, permission, and number of features you will find whenever we open our SharePoint admin panel. This is our designer page, means SharePoint designer app, but we are responsible to know about the options and features which are available on SharePoint admin. bit slow. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so this is Microsoft 365 Admin Center. I'm just going to click on Show All and click on SharePoint. So whenever we click on the SharePoint, it will redirect you on the page of Admin. Means you have a full rights to make any changes with your existing site. You want to modify the permission, you want to add number of users, you want to remove the users, configure the storage for our SharePoint folder. So everything you can manage from this particular dashboard. So let me show you what are the options which are available in SharePoint Admin Center. So let's start from sites. So whenever we click on the site, it gives us a two different options. One is active site and deleted sites. So whenever we click on the active site, it will give you the information about the number of sites that we created. So recently we just created one site with name of Office 365 class, and the site haven't consumed any space. It also gives you the information about the space that you have already consumed, right? Now another important part, multiple option available, like you can create a new site, export site, track the view, means how many users are trying to log in, trying to see your data that you uploaded. So you can also check with the help of track view. The meaning of deleted sites, as per the name suggests, the meaning of deleted sites is based on what we can say that. Okay, so 365 means SharePoint Admin Center can help us to recover your data. Means if you deleted any kind of site, we are authorized to retain our data. As it is policy option available that you can configure for sharing policy, and control option that help us to enhance the security, setting option available, and migration, one of important topic which is related to the migration. Means if you want to transfer your data from SharePoint Admin Center to any other storage, like as you want to put into the Google Workspace or Dropbox, or on premises you wanted to download. So each and every options are available in Microsoft SharePoint Admin Center. I'll create a dedicated video related to the SharePoint Administrator. So we'll give you the complete information about this particular topic in our next class. So that's it for today's session, guys. We'll connect in next session and discuss more about 365 services. Take care, guys, and do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Bye.